presenting the best videos of the week on our channel. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Modern excavators are way more precise than they look. With GPS and motion sensors, they can dig with an error of just a few centimeters. That's almost surgery, just with more dirt. The world record for digging a hole is 12 seconds. Two workers in Mexico dug a 1-meter trench, in perfect sync, without saying a word. It looked like they'd rehearsed it their whole lives. There's an excavator operator who once opened a beer bottle with a bucket. First try, no spills. When skill meets a sense of humor, that's pure art. The bucket of an excavator can weigh over a ton, and still move so smoothly you could pour a glass of water without spilling a drop. It's not about power, it's all in the hydraulics and the operator's touch. Some excavators can actually float. Amphibious ones work right in swamps and rivers, on pontoons, sealed tight from water. They look like monsters from a movie, but they do delicate jobs like cleaning riverbeds and fixing shorelines. The fastest bricklayer in the world can lay over 900 bricks in 1 hour. He makes a joint every second and a half, faster than a blink. And yes, the wall still stands perfectly straight afterward. Drones can actually build now. In 2022, a team in Switzerland used drones to stack bricks and build a 10-meter tower, completely on their own. Each block was placed with millimeter precision on construction sites. In some countries, drones deliver building materials straight to rooftops. Cement, tools, even glass panels, all by air. It saves a ton of time, especially where cranes can't reach. On a construction site in Brazil, workers once used a yoga ball as a safety cushion under the ceiling. It sounds ridiculous, but it worked. No one got hurt, and the boss ended up buying 10 more, just in case. There's a carpenter who makes perfect straight cuts blindfolded. He goes by sound and the vibration of the wood alone. When a skill becomes instinct, that's no longer work, that's art. An average person lifts or carries around 20 tons of stuff over a lifetime. Bags, boxes, furniture. But one record holder carried 300 cement bags, each weighing 50 kilos, in a single day. That's like lifting an elephant, one sack at a time. A painter once set a record by covering 120 square meters in an hour. That's almost a full apartment. The secret: a long-handled roller, and rhythm like a drummer.
Run what is set up, 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 method is set up, run what is set up, method is set up, run what is set up.
A regular digger can move about 5 cubic meters of soil a day by hand. But one man in India dug a 30-meter deep well all by himself, in just 40 days. No machines, no crew, just a shovel, a rope, and stubborn determination. In China, a crew built a 57-story skyscraper in just 19 days. No joke, modular construction, 24-hour shifts, and perfect coordination. When work turns into choreography, even skyscrapers grow like mushrooms.